Welcome to No Fear Cooking. I am Magda and I'm inviting you to have the best sandwiches. Yes, we're going to use ciabatta bread for our toasted sandwiches, paninis, and it's going to be a muffalata Italian panini sandwich. The best, the easiest taste that you will repeat this sandwich over and over and over. Just got home from the shopping and supper will be ready in 5 minutes. Go shopping. Key for these ingredients is to have this cheese very thin, very, very thin. Same thing with the mortadella. I'm going to go through everything you see on mortadella. The Italians are saying that the best one it is when almost you see through. Very, very thin, that's all it is. And so we are going to use mortadella and we are going to use capocollo. Which one is this one? Okay, provolone cheese. The provolone cheese is also very thin, and mozzarella, and of course muffalata. I have my ciabatta bread ready cut. I am going to start with the best sandwiches you can make with this muffalata. About a tablespoon, or if you like a little bit more. And then I'm going to put on both sides a little bit of that. And I'm going to put them on our panini sandwich maker. If you don't have one, a toaster bread or just on the regular pan is good. Mortadella comes here, about 2 ounces or as much meat as you want to. Look how fast you can have this already done. The cheese, make as much or a little bit you want to. I'm going to put very small slices on both sizes and I'm having this one ready. I'll press it here. I'm going to do quick the second one. These are delicious ingredients and you will love it. You want to add something else? Please go for and add something else on it. Again, look how thin is this meat. And you can order it at your local store and they will do it the way you are asking them for. Very thin, paper in between usually I tell them. And they're very kind to do it like that. And another little bit of the muffalata. And my panini, it's already warm at 355, that's how it goes. Medium if you go on your regular stove. And ready, I'm having 2 of them ready in about 5 minutes. Now, adjust the top gentle, press it. Now my top doesn't get too hot, which is good. And I'm going to put it for 4 minutes, and if I see that the cheese is not melted, I'll leave it 1 more minute. Let's start with 4 minutes, but it's between 4 minutes and 5 minutes. And again, it's delicious, scrumptious good. You will do this over and over for summer, anytime, but my family loves them, and I'm going to come back in 4 minutes. Right, Babbitt? I know, it smells so good in here already. So how easy, mortadella, capocollo, very thin slice, the 2 cheeses and whatever else you like to do. You can leave it a bit longer, but as you see, the cheese is already melted. I'm going to take it off, look at that, and I'm going to cut them. And the taste is out of this world. You can press harder, don't need to. And again, if you don't have a panini presser, it's fine. Just do it on the top of the stove, medium high. Have everything ready. It's delicious sandwich and family will love it. And again, look how nice and melted it is. Look at the beautiful inside. And the bread is toasted. It's just warm and perfect taste. I'm going to cut it this way. It's going to be a little bit harder because it's hot, but I'm still going to cut it. Yay! I just got home from shopping and I was so excited for the panini. My daughter gave me this panini. It's a new one for Mother's Day, which I asked for. I lost the old one. What do you think? It's delicious. The muffalata And also I'm going to have, if you don't mind, I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to taste it. And I'm going to have some of these wonderful hot pickles. They are so delicious together. If you like maybe a little bit tomato on it or a little bit onion, go for it. Go in town. Create your own. Muffalata, Italian, panini, perfect. Mangia mangia, pofte buna. Till next time. Enjoy summer. It's beautiful. I have to tell you, it's very economic, very. And everybody can put together a sandwich like that, the little ones. And I'm going to taste it. I know it's good. I've been having them for a long time. Cheese is melted, and I'm going to have a little bit of this hot pickle. Perfect. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching us. Give us a like, and we'll see you next time.